nomenclature of amines, physical properties, basic nature, then preparation properties, routine method. Right, keep reading nomenclature. Before starting nomenclature, let us classify the amines. How to classify the amines? See. Classification. Amines are classified into three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. One degree amine. It is represented as RNH2. 1 degree amine. 2 degree amine. Or secondary amine, it is represented as R2NH, and 3 degree amine. 3 degree amine. R3N. See, if we have one alkyl group around nitrogen, that is primary amine. If we have 2 alkyl groups, that is secondary amine. If we have 3 alkyl groups around nitrogen, that is tertiary amine. Okay. Online students, are you following? Right. Around nitrogen, observe how many alkyl groups are present. Clear? Other than hydrogen, the bonds or groups are considered as alkyl groups. Right? 1 alkyl group, primary 2 alkyl groups, secondary 3 alkyl groups, tertiary. Right? Okay. This idea is very important, having idea about 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines. Let us see some examples. CH3NH2. 1 alkyl group is present, primary amine. CH3NHCH3. This can be represented like this also. CH3 taken twice, NH. Both are same. Nitrogen, 2 methyl groups, and CH3 taken twice, NH. Both are same type of representation. And 3 degree amine. This can be represented like this also. CH3 taken thrice, and that examples for primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. Okay. This is main classification. We have quaternary ammonium salts also. That is a different type. Okay, mainly we have 3 types of amines: primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. And let us see some cyclic examples also. Cyclic category. Hydrogen is not considered as a group. Okay. Right. How many bonds are present around nitrogen? 1. Okay. So this is 2 degree. Okay. 2 degree amine. Identifying cyclic amine degree also important. Just to see how many bonds are present around nitrogen. Okay. How many bonds are present around nitrogen? 3 bonds. So this is tertiary amine. 3 degree. Cyclic category. Okay. No doubt in this. Do you have any doubts in this? You tell me, this is which amine? Third one is which amine? 2 degree amine. 2 degree amine. This side one bond, this side one bond. Okay? And one hydrogen. Hydrogen is not considered as a group. 2 groups. 2 bonds means 2 groups. So secondary. Secondary amine. This is 3 degree. 3 degree. 1, 2 and 3. 3 degree. Clear? All of you. Classification of amine is over. Everyone? Online students. Okay. Shall I clear this? Right. And see, those who are not perfect in the nomenclature in first year, here you can cover amines nomenclature. Right. Next, nomenclature. Third example, secondary. This is secondary. 3 degree amine. This is 3 degree amine. Right. This is very, very useful information to predict the basic nature. Okay. Right. Let us start nomenclature. 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 See, we have some suffixes. For example, carboxylic acid, oic acid, alcohols, ol, aldehydes, al, ketones, on. Similarly, amines also having suffixes. See the suffix for amines. All amines end with the amine only. Amine only. General format is amine. Alkanamine. Alkanamine. Every amine name ends with amine. At the end you can observe amine in the IUPAC. IUPAC. Alkanamine means methanamine, ethanamine, propanamine, butanamine, like that. Clear? Suffix is the amine. Alkanamine. First example. In this, how many carbons are present? We have 1 carbon. Okay. Meth. Yes. Is there any carbon-carbon double bond? No. Carbon-carbon triple bond? No. In that case, write in. If there is no carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon double bond only, not carbon-oxygen double bond, carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond is not present, then write in. Plus, see, when NH2 is present, we write ine. Last word, terminal word is ine. Meth plus an plus ine, methanamine. Actually, this is amine. Meth plus an plus amine, methanamine. Okay. In first year also we'll explain like this only. Actually, first year nomenclature was completed in second year. In every chapter I explained nomenclature. In alcohols, their nomenclature concept was finished. Carbonyl compounds nomenclature also finished. Clear? Next example. First simple examples, then we will increase the depth. Same procedure. How many carbons are present? 2 carbons are present. Eth plus an plus amine. Eth, because 2 carbons are the root word. Eth plus an. Why we are writing an? Because there is no carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon triple bond means write an. And amine. Eth plus an plus amine combined all this ethanamine, ethanamine, ethanamine. Generally, it is also called as ethylamine, ethylamine, ethanamine or ethylamine, ethylamine. Okay. Now write the degree. In every example, mention the degree. This comes under which degree? Primary. This comes under which degree? Primary only. Primary only, because this is in the form of RNH2. RNH2. One R group is present. This is one R group. RNH2. This is also one R group. RNH2. Okay, primary amine. Mention the degree also. Okay, shall I clear this? Next example. Once observe these two examples. In these two examples, we have 3 carbons. Okay. Here we have 3 carbons. Here also we have 3 carbon atoms. Right. So root word is propa. Propa. Prop plus N plus amine. Propanamine. Propanamine. Here also, how many carbons are present? 3 carbons. Prop plus N plus amine. Propanamine. But what is the difference between these two? Let us give numbering. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. At first position, amino group NH2 is there. So 1 propanamine. 1 propanamine. 1 propanamine. Within the bracket, mention the degree. Degree is very, very important. 1 propanamine. We have distinguishing tests, sir. In coming classes, we have distinguishing tests, primary, secondary, tertiary amines. If you don't have any idea about primary, secondary, tertiary, you cannot get that topic. Okay? Distinguishing topic. Next, give the numbering. 1, 2, 3. Amino group NH2 is present at second position. So 2 propanamine. 2 propanamine. 1 propanamine and 2 propanamine. See, most of the students will get confusion with this name. 2 propanamine means, see, they consider 2 propanamine as a 2 degree amine because 2 is coming now, but 2 propanamine is 1 degree. Why? In 1 degree amine, NH2, 2 hydrogens are present. Once look at this. In 1 degree amine, RNH2. This is general formula of 1 degree amine, RNH2, 1 degree. If NH2 is present, that is a primary amine. That is a primary amine. Clear? But in the name, two word is there. So they get some confusion. 2 propanamine means they'll say, sir, this is 2 degree. Wrong answer. 2 propanamine is which degree? 1 degree amine only. 1 degree amine only. At second position, NH2 is present. That's why we are writing 2. Okay, clear? 2 propanamine is 1 degree amine only. 1 degree amine. Because NH2 is there now. NH2. If NH2 is present, that is 1 degree. First of all, tell me. Secondary amine. This side 1 R, this side 1 R. 2 R groups are there. Secondary amine, no doubt. Secondary amine. Now, how to give the name? How to give the name? See, in secondary amine, 2 side chains will come. 1 side chain, other side chain. 2 side chain. Select the longest chain as the parent chain. Longest chain as the parent chain. Which is longest chain? This is the longest chain. Longest chain is the parent chain. Longest chain is the parent chain. And the chain with less number of carbons is considered as a substituent. It is considered as a substituent. Substituent. Okay. Right. First, you tell me, in generally, while writing the name, if any substituent is present, we mention the name of that substituent or not? 2-chlorobutane, 2-bromobutane, like that. First, we write the name of the substituent only, na? Here also we write the name of the substituent. Here, substituent is nothing but a carbon chain with less number of carbons. So, first, we write the name of this substituent. How many carbons are there in this? One. So, methyl. But you tell me that methyl is present at which position? Correct. This is the longest chain, right? 1, 2. Where it is present? That methyl is present on first carbon. Is there any methyl? No. For example, see, if I give like this, we can say chlorine is present at second position. Chlorine is a substituent which is present at second position. This is methyl. It is a substituent, but it is present at no, it is present or it is attached to nitrogen. It is attached to nitrogen. It is present on the nitrogen atom. So N-methyl. N-methyl. Very, very important. While giving the name of secondary amine or tertiary amine, name starts like this: N-methyl, N-ethyl. We are mentioning name of the substituent, no doubt, methyl. That methyl is present on which atom? Nitrogen atom. Clear? Right. So N-methyl. Next, which is longest chain? This is longest chain. How many carbons are there in this longest chain? 2 carbons are there. So N-methyl ethanamine. Commonly amines suffix is alkanamine, right? So ethanamine. Let us see some more examples also, then you can understand easily. N-methyl ethanamine. You can write bond line structure also. Bond line structure is also very, very important. Okay, I am giving bond line structure. Both are same. This is methyl group, this is ethyl group. These two structures are same. Okay. Let us take some other example. Shall I clear this, online students? Shall I clear this? Next example. First of all, tell me this is which degree? So the degree. 2 degree. This side one R group is there, this side one R group is there, right? In which more number of carbons are present? This side 1 and 2 carbons. Left hand side 1, 2, 3. Select the chain with more number of carbons as the longest chain. Select the chain with less number of carbons as the substituent. This will become substituent because it is having 2 carbons. Substituent. This will be the parent chain. Okay. First write the name of the substituent. What is the name of the substituent? In this, how many carbons are present? 2 carbons are present. So ethyl. But that is present. This ethyl is present on nitrogen atom. So N-ethyl. How many carbons are present here? 1, 2, 3. N-ethyl propanamine. Propanamine. Alkanamine is the common suffix. N-ethyl propanamine. 2 degree. Okay. Next, let us take 3 degree. 3 degree amines. Next example. Examples of 3 degree. We completed 1 degree, 2 degree. Next 3 degree amines. Okay. This is 3 degree amine, no doubt, because nitrogen is surrounded by 3 R groups. 3 R groups. As usually, select the chain with more number of carbons as the longest chain. Remaining chains become substituent. Sorry? Yeah. This is the longest chain. This chain, because it is having 3 carbon atoms. This is substituent, this is also substituents. 2 substituents. This is one substituent on nitrogen. This is another substituent on nitrogen. So 2 times methyl group is present on the nitrogen. So you have to write N comma N. Why we are writing N comma N? 2 times methyl is present on the nitrogen. If 1 time methyl is present, just we write N methyl. If methyl is present 2 times, then we write N comma N. N comma N. N comma N dimethyl. N comma N dimethyl. Right? We have to write like this. 3 degree amines. N comma N dimethyl. Okay. N dimethyl. Total how many carbons are present here? 1, 2, 3. N dimethyl propanamine. N dimethyl propanamine. Try this. All of you say its name. N methyl N-ethyl propanamine. Okay, is it correct? Is it? Actually, this is not according to alphabetical order. E letter comes first. E letter comes first. N-ethyl, N-methyl propanamine. N-methyl propanamine. Okay. Next example. Its name cyclohexanamine. If it is having any substituents, then we have seen only plain examples. Let us take some substituents also. Can you give its name? I am attaching 2 substituents. You tell me. C. Correct. This is one direction. 1, 2, 3. This is another direction, 1, 2, 3. This is right hand side, right, left hand side. Which direction is correct? Right side. See, in this direction we are getting substituent at third. In this direction also we are getting substituent at third position. But this substituent name starts with B, letter B, bromo, bromo. Chloro, C. Which letter comes first? Bromo. So this is correct. Right hand side direction is correct. Alphabetical order, alphabetical order. So name is 3-bromo 5-chloro cyclohexanamine. 3-bromo 5-chloro cyclohexanamine. This is vinyl group. Another. This is vinyl group. Vinyl group. Vinyl amine. Common name. This is vinyl group. This is amino amine. Vinyl amine. Vinyl amine. Very important examples. In vinyl amine, nitrogen lone pair participate in resonance. Nitrogen lone pair participate in resonance. I use this statement in basic nature concept. Clear? Nitrogen lone pair participate in resonance. Remember, in vinyl amine. Vinyl amine. In ethyl amine, is there any resonance? See, what is the difference between vinyl amine and ethyl amine? In ethyl amine, there is no resonance. In vinyl amine, resonance is present. So what is the difference if resonance is present, if resonance is not present? Is there any property will change? Yes, basic nature property. So having idea about the structures is very, very important. Clear? Right. This is degree is 1 only. NH2 means 1 degree only. 1 degree only. Next, another important. This group, what is its name? Allyl. Allyl, this is amine. So, complete name is allyl amine. Allyl amine. Okay. In allyl amine, resonance is absent. Resonance is absent in allyl amine. In vinyl amine, resonance is present. That point is very, very important. In allyl amine, there is no resonance because nitrogen lone pair is not adjacent to the double bond. In the middle, CH2 is present. Once watch resonance introduction. Okay. I'll send the video if anybody wants. Then you can see. Then you can understand and tomorrow's class easily. You should have basics about resonance, structural requirement. I'll send the video. Watch. Next, some other important examples. And you know IUPAC names. What is IUPAC name of allyl amine and what is IUPAC name of vinyl amine? Ethenamine. Alkanamine. This is alkene. So alkenamine. Ethenamine. Ethenamine. Ethanamine. Single bond category. Alkanes category. Alkene, double bond is ethenamine. Ethenamine. Propionamine. Propionamine. Or you can write like this also 1, 2, 3. Pro-2-ene 1-amine. Or propionamine. Ene. Propionamine. IUPAC names. Propionamine. commonly called as allyl amine. Allyl amine. Okay. Common names only important. Next important benzyl amine. Benzyl amine. See, benzyl group. Benzene with CH2 is called as benzyl group. Benzene with CH2. This part is called as benzyl. In first chapter also I given. This is benzyl. Benzyl. If amine is attached, then that is called as benzyl amine. Benzyl amine. So its name is benzyl amine. Benzyl amine. By first point, in benzyl amine, is resonance is present or absent in benzyl amine? Absent. See, if nitrogen is directly connected to the ring, then resonance is present. If nitrogen is connected directly to the ring, then resonance is present. Right? In this case, resonance is present. But in benzyl amine, nitrogen is not directly connected to the ring. So resonance is not present. So in benzyl amine, resonance is not present. And very important point, benzyl amine comes under which category? Aromatic amine or aliphatic amine? Aromatic amine or aliphatic amine? Benzene ring is present, aromatic, right? Correct only na your answer? Correct only na? Correct? This is aliphatic. Aliphatic. Why? Which amines are called as aromatic amines? If nitrogen is directly connected to the ring, if nitrogen is directly connected to the ring, they are called as aromatic. If nitrogen is not connected directly to the ring, they are considered as aliphatic amine. Clear? This is aromatic. This is aliphatic. If nitrogen is directly connected to the ring, benzene ring, that is aromatic amine. Here nitrogen is not connected directly, so this is considered as aliphatic amine. Aliphatic. Aliphatic. We will discuss separately about aromatic, okay, later. Now only, but after completing these. This is benzyl, okay. Next, aromatic amines. Let us start aromatic amines. Aromatic also important. First example of aromatic. Aniline. Aniline is aromatic amine. Aniline with a methyl group. Generally, common name will be easy. Sorry, IUPAC name will be easy only. Orthomethyl aniline. Orthomethyl aniline. But common name is common name. See, if benzene contains only NH2, that is aniline. If benzene contains only CH3, that is toluene. So mixing of these two. Benzene with CH3 is toluene. Benzene with the NH2 is aniline. Mix the two and write the common name. Toluidine. Toluidine. Orthotoluidine. Ortho position. Orthotoluidine. Metatoluidine. Paratoluidine. Important common name. Toluidine. This is para-toluene. And one special case we have. Can you guess its name? It is also represented like this also. Ring, simple ring. It is also important. Any idea? Pyridine. Very important, pyridine. And note down another. All these are aromatic. All these are aromatic. That's why I am giving to you. This is also important example. Can you guess its name? Let us give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. Yes, correct. Tell me. Pyrrole. Yes. In first year, where you learn this classification of organic compounds. Okay. 5-pyridine. 5-pyridine, or some teachers will call it as a piperidine. Both are same. 5-pyridine or piperidine. Seventh one, ammonia. Why I'm, you know about its name, clear? I'll tell why I'm giving ammonia also. If nitrogen is surrounded by 4 bonds, then it will get a positive charge. Positive charge. This is called quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary. Seventh one, NH3. See, do you have any problem in this? Are you getting structures clearly or not? Seventh one is ammonia. No, I'm asking you whether I am having any network issue like that. Are you? Quaternary ammonium salt. While comparing the basic nature, we use these examples also. We'll compare basic nature of aliphatic amine with the ammonia and with the quaternary ammonium salts. To compare the basic nature, sometimes we include these examples. Pyridine also that case, sir. Pyridine also same case. Sorry. Screen is? Okay. Is it okay now? So classification of amines is completed, primary, secondary, tertiary amines, and nomenclature also completed, right? Now I'll give you some names. Try the structures. This is very important actually. This is very important task in today's class. Clear? Try all of you. Sorry. I didn't get Adiba. Say loudly. Eighth example. Quaternary ammonium salt. See, quaternary ammonium salt. Actually, when nitrogen is having positive, immediately the negative charge should be present adjacently for the stability reasons, clear? Because nitrogen with positive charge is unstable, no? That's why it exists in the salt format, quaternary ammonium salt. Because nitrogen with positive is highly unstable, so it requires some negative charge. Okay, to make it stable, we put some negative charge beside it. That is the reason. Okay. That's why ammonium chloride, ammonium ion that will exist in the solution actually. Ammonium chloride salt solution. Adjacently Cl minus will be present, but we take only ammonium ion. Okay. In ammonium chloride solution, ammonium ions will present adjacent to the chloride ions. Okay. All of you check your knowledge on the nomenclature of amines. Okay. This is very important step. Once in NEET exam only, they given basic nature based on the names in your PYQs. They ask the basic nature of amines linked to nomenclature concept. Clear? All of you draw the structures and check your knowledge in the amines nomenclature. Hexanamine. Write the structure and mention the degree also. Mention the degree. 3-hexanamine. I think it is 3 degree. 3-hexanamine. Correct? Huh? N-N diethyl. N-N diethyl butanamine. Butanamine. N diethyl butanamine. Methanamine. Trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. This is a different case. 4th one I left. At 3rd position, amine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another carbon. Right. Hexanamine. 3-methyl hexanamine. Total 6 carbons. Okay. N dimethyl butanamine. N diethyl, sorry. N put 2 ethyl groups. 1 ethyl and another ethyl. 2 ethyls. N diethyl. Next butanamine. How many carbons? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over. First write nitrogen. Ethyl and ethyl, 2 ethyls, N diethyl, butanamine, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Methanamine, CH3NH2, methanamine. Next to trimethylamine, CH3 taken thrice, trimethylamine. Okay, tertiary amine, primary amine, tertiary amine, primary amine. Right. That will continue tomorrow. Did you get schedule? Did anyone send schedule to me? I think Kritika sent schedule. Okay, I'll check. Okay, do you have any doubts? Shall I close? All of you. Right.